Ah, this is a very good book.
You are reading a book, Somi. Do you like it?
Yes, I love it. It is very peaceful here, and the sofa is very comfortable.
The living room is very clean today. I will start the robot vacuum to keep it clean.
Ollie? What is that noise? Look at it! It is moving too fast! Oh no! It is spinning round and round! It is broken! The clean floor is dirty now! It is throwing tissue paper! We must stop it! The living room is a big mess. How do we stop it? The blanket! I will throw the blanket over it! 1, 2, 3, throw! Phew! It stopped! But look at our living room! It is not clean anymore!
I am sorry, Somi. The vacuum made a mess.
It is not your fault, Ollie. We just need to clean up. We need a broom. Let's sweep the floor. Sweep, sweep, sweep! You are doing great! Now pick up the paper. Yes, finally! The living room is clean again. We did a good job.
Somi, look outside. Look at the garden.
The garden? Let me see. Beep, beep. Oh no, the plants look very sad. The flowers are drooping. They are thirsty. Yes, they are very thirsty. Plants need water to live. We must give them water. Here is the automatic water pump. But it is not working.
Let me scan the pump. The water pump is broken.
What is the problem, Ollie?
First, the filter is very dirty. Second, a blue gear is missing.
We are mechanics. We fix things. I need my wrench and a new blue gear.
Here is your wrench, and here is a new blue gear.
First, I wash the dirty filter with clean water. Next, I place the blue gear here. I use my wrench to twist and tighten. Twist, twist, twist. Done! Let's test it. Turn on the pump, Ollie. 3, 2, 1. Wow! Look at the water! The sprinklers are working! The plants are drinking the water. They are standing up. The garden is beautiful again. We saved the plants. Good job, team! Oh, look! Because of the water, a strawberry is fully grown.
I know.
It is a big red strawberry. It looks delicious. I will cut it in half. Half for me, half for you. Very sweet. Quiz time. What did we fix in the garden today? Was it the robot vacuum or the water pump? Write it in the comments. See you next time, friends. Bye!